Welcome to the Lichtsinn RV Service Department here in Forest City, Iowa, where we are just 1 mile from the Winnebago Factory. Having your service work completed at Lichtsinn RV means you are receiving best-of-class service from our RVTI certified technicians. Our Flying W customer satisfaction index scores rank at the top of all Winnebago dealers. In our newly expanded state-of-the-art service shop, we have all the tools needed to get your service work done in a timely manner. We have Winnebago Itasca and workhorse trained technicians with years of experience working on these great products. Our service consultants, who also have considerable Winnebago motorhome experience, are here to provide answers to your questions and schedule your service appointment. The day of your appointment, they will begin by reviewing the necessary repairs in one of our indoor service drives and keep you updated on the repairs that are being completed throughout the process. Our modern, clean, comfortable, and pet-friendly guest lounge areas have many guest amenities, including free Wi-Fi as you wait for your service work to be completed. Taking a world-class Winnebago factory tour while you're here in Forest City. Tours are held April through October. See your Lichtsinn RV service consultant to find out current tour timing. Our proximity to the Winnebago Motorhome Factory allows us to receive same-day repair parts rather than having to wait days for parts to be shipped to a shop. We also have immediate access to expert factory resources during your visit should any unforeseen challenges arise. The Lichtsinn RV parts staff has over 90 years of combined parts experience, which means our team is knowledgeable and we will order the right parts for your repair the first time. Our service center helps many guests with accessory installations and upgrades in addition to maintenance and general repair items. Have you been thinking about that new satellite dish or surge protector? We can help with those items during your repair visit. Here at Lichtsinn RV, we want to make your stay with us as comfortable as possible. With our newly expanded campground, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups. This is available to guests taking delivery of their new RV or just passing through for a service appointment. Here is what one of our guests had to say about working with the Lichtsinn RV Service Department.
I purchased my first ever RV from Lichtsinn RV in 2018 and just purchased my second Turbado from them. Their incredible service department is one of the reasons I returned. For the last 4 years, the Lichtsinn RV Service Department has put up with my never-ending questions and walked me through every problem I've had in the past. I rely on their expertise and advice and have always been satisfied with the outcome. They explain things and in turn teach me more than you can read in a manual. A satisfied guest from Port St. Lucie, Florida.
Give the Lichtsinn RV Service Department a call at 641-585-3213 to schedule your service appointment so we can help you get back on the open road enjoying your RV.